The total combined votes for ayes is 235 votes. The total combined votes for the nays, 83. Abstentions, 2. Total, 320. The result, therefore, means the ayes have it. And now, honourable members, having met the threshold necessary under Article 257, Clause 7 of the Constitution, and in keeping with our standing orders and as guided in my communication of Tuesday this week, we now move to Committee of the Whole House. So sorry, the clerk will read the title, read the bill for a second time. Sorry.